Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we're going to be doing some simple hexagonal planters. And I'll go through the process of making these. To get started, set your saw to 22.5 degrees, and this is going to be set for the whole duration of the cutting. You can then cut your timber at 22.5 degrees, turn it around, slide it up, and then measure for your first cut. I think we used about 110mm by here. You can obviously choose what size you'd like to go, but bearing in mind when you're making these hexagonal planters, they can get quite big if you're going into 200-300mm cuts and so on. To save on scrap, just do your cut, spin the workpiece, slide up to the mark you marked on your saw, or if you've got saw stops, use them, and then you can proceed and crack on with your cutting. Now, bearing in mind, for each of these plant pots, it's taking about 80 pieces per plant pot to make. So if you just bear that in mind, you are going to spend a good hour and a half cutting all the timber, getting it all prepped, ready to knock it all up. So as you can see by here now, we are just using a bit of Titebond wood glue. This stuff is great for outdoors. Same as Gorilla Glue, you can use that as well. That lasts outdoors as well. And I'm just showing you by here how simple it is just to put a bit of glue on and put a tack to hold it in place. Now these tacks probably will rust through. They are galvanized tacks, but the main structure of this pot is all going to be to do with the wood glue. So as you can see now, I'm just stacking them up to see what it looks like. Once I'm happy with that, I will proceed and I will carry on and get it all glued up. Now I'm putting plenty of glue on there. You can see the glue squeezing out. That doesn't matter. It's an outdoor project. It's a bit rustic looking. This ain't fancy woodworking. This is just basic DIY. So anyone can have a go with this. Just to bear in mind, this is tannalized timber or treated timber, whatever you want to call it. So this timber is great for outdoors. It should last a good 15 years if you keep treating it regular. You need to be painting these every single year to keep them in tip-top condition. Just cutting the base of these planters now. Now you don't have to be that accurate on this. As long as they get in there and you can tack them in place and a bit of wood glue, they will last. Now if you've got any gaps, don't worry about that. The water will get out of there and escape out of the pot. You will need to drill some drainage holes on there, which is a 5-second job. Just putting the final piece into the bottom now, and I'm going ahead with my second one. So I'll just get that done nice and quick for you on the video so you can see. You can put some support timbers in underneath and tack to that, but I just decided to tack through the side. I think the wood glue will be strong enough to hold that in place. I know it's not super tight, but I think it will be fine. So I'm going to go ahead now. Me and the missus decided on getting some grey paint for them. As you can see, I am wrapping this job up. Now it's taken the best part of half a day to make and paint these. We didn't have a lot of sunlight. It was a pretty chilly day, to be honest with you, and the paint was taking a while to dry. But if you're doing this on a summer's day, you can be outside, you can be catching a tan, and you've actually made something for yourself, which is great. Now the total cost for these was about 70 quid in total with the wood glue, tacks, paint and the timber, which isn't too bad considering you can pay £70 a pot in the local DIY stores. So I hope you like what you see. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to support my channel. I'll see you on the next video, and here's the final photos just to show you. I like them. I hope you like them as well, and there's my dog Blue as per usual.